4-strike TR300 is a remote-controlled felling wedge that really shines when it comes to safety. Its strap keeps it securely in place, even on hazardous slopes. The remote control works up to 100 meters away, so you can safely handle trees 5 stories high or more. What's impressive is that it combines a lifting capacity of 25 tons with a weight of just over 9 kilograms. All of this for $3,122 makes it a solid choice. The ESAB Renegade Volt ES200i stands out in the cordless welder market. Thanks to the use of modern technology, a single charge gives you 45 minutes of work in live TIG mode. If there's an outlet nearby, you can plug it in. The hybrid mode, AMP Plus, lets you safely use even a household network without worrying about overloading the wiring or tripping fuses. The kit's noteworthy too, including 4 DeWalt FlexVolt 20V or 60V 12Ah batteries, and a special charging base with 4 ports. This makes it a great solution for unique welding tasks. The price is set at $3,600. Lifting heavy tiles or pavers is a lot easier if you have the EZG Manufacturing lifters on the job site. Their most advanced model can handle 109 kilograms, and is designed not just to lift materials, but also to lay them perfectly straight and level. For special projects, memory foam pads are available. There are even lifters that let workers operate in pairs. However, you'll need a gasoline or electric compressor to use them. The basic lifter, weighing 34 kilograms, is estimated to cost around $634. Roofs can get incredibly dirty, making it tough to know where to start cleaning. Here's a tip: consider the Skyscraper kit for $793. It comes with a brush, various sharp scrapers, and a telescopic handle. Once assembled, you have a versatile cleaning tool that extends up to 10.4 meters. It tackles not just dust and dirt, but also tough stuff like moss. Plus, it adjusts easily to different roof pitches and tiles. The Runn Lift is a must-have for working at heights, appealing to a wide range of professionals, from electricians to arborists. Weighing just 11 kilograms, it's surprisingly capable. With minimal setup, it can lift 181 kilograms. And with a properly adjusted rope and block system, it can handle up to 544 kilograms. Despite being electric, it works in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Plus, the hot swappable battery makes it even more convenient. Given all these advantages, the price of $3,825 seems quite reasonable. HosetoGo is a constant pressure water delivery system that you can carry on a strap like a bag. It's incredibly handy when cutting or drilling concrete. Unlike its competitors, it doesn't need a pump, electricity, or a battery. The tank holds 14 liters, and when full, the HosetoGo weighs 20 kilograms. The constant output pressure ranges from 0.5 to 0.7 bar. The Australian manufacturers believe that this is the most innovative product in the construction industry in a long time. Perhaps that's why it's priced at $264. The SPRO team has been providing drywall stilts for over 25 years, so they know what their clients need better than anyone. Let's check out the workers' feet equipped with the S1X stilts. This advanced model is about 33% lighter than many others. Plus, SPRO's experts have designed it for a more natural walking motion. The stilts are height adjustable, reaching up to 1 meter. The Flexion foot spring system ensures comfort, and the non-slip SPRO Super Grip soles are perfect for large job sites. A pair of these stilts costs $430. This wireless scanner is designed to quickly detect objects hidden within walls, up to 178mm deep. It can identify metals, wood, plastic, and even shielded electrical wires. Thanks to its interchangeable modes, it works effectively on dry and wet concrete, drywall, and hollow blocks. The multi-detection mode can even pinpoint objects at an angle. A laser pointer and LED lighting ensure precise and direct movement across the surface. Built to be dust and moisture resistant, this scanner is durable and has a battery life of up to 28 hours. It's a tool that construction workers will surely appreciate. Here's how you can spruce up your fence and give your pergola a fresh coat of paint without getting your hands dirty. Just pick up a Bosch PFS 7000 paint sprayer. Its tank is made to hold 1 liter of paint, and its motor packs a punch with 1400 watts. In just a minute, this sprayer can cover 4 square meters, giving you a smooth, even coat without any streaks or drips. If Tom Sawyer had gotten his hands on one of these, he might have become the most successful businessman of his time. The price tag for this tool is $292. Ready, set, go. This is the GVO Nail Gun, firing rivets into wood, metal, and even concrete with loud bangs. Its design is simple and sturdy, and it uses 2 strong springs to launch the rivets. No gunpowder needed, just pure mechanics. The large handle helps keep the tool straight against the surface, but let's face it, the GVO Nail Gun looks more cool like a weapon than a typical construction tool. Prices start at $57. This champ throws 60 to 70 punches per minute and always reaches its goals. We're not talking about a boxer, but a modern tool for driving piles into the ground. Made in the US and tested by seasoned farmers, it's perfect for putting up fences or livestock enclosures without swinging a sledgehammer. Just take a 17-kilogram metal tool and turn on the compressor. It works with both round and square posts. Just switch the adapters. The price starts at $949. The EDB 480 is ready to challenge its gas-powered rivals. It's not just electric, it also ditches the traditional rotating chain. Instead, it uses 2 moving toothed blades that rapidly shift back and forth, easily crushing bricks, concrete, and of course, wood. Watching it in action is impressive, showcasing its power and versatility. This is exactly what you need on a construction site, a tough and adaptable tool. Running a cable along the ceiling and securing it neatly with staples takes both patience and skill. But if you're not aiming to become a professional electrician and just want a clean, tidy renovation, here's a clever tool from Norway that makes the job easier. This electric hammer can drive in a staple in just seconds and is operated with 1 hand. It has 2 grip options, which is great for working in tight spaces. Plus, it includes a built-in flashlight and laser distance meter. On a single charge, it can handle up to 500 staples, plenty for an entire apartment. Flange alignment tools come in handy when dealing with pipelines. Here you can see 2 models, the FA1TM and the FA4TM. The first one is great for smaller, low-pressure flanges, offering a force of 1 ton. The second model is ideal for medium-sized and medium-pressure flanges, letting users apply up to 4 tons of force. Both models help prevent twisting and axial misalignment of the flanges and include a carrying case. If you're interested in the prices, just ask the manufacturer. Little Giant Ladder Systems has reinvented the stepladder with their model called Fortress, available in 3 configurations. The most affordable option supports up to 113 kilograms, while the most expensive one can hold up to 170 kilograms. The upper platform is very stable and features small tables for nails, screws, and bolts. There are also trays for wrenches and screwdrivers. Plastic gates between the steps and the platform provide extra safety, keeping the user secure even if they move carelessly. Prices for the Fortress start at $607. In 2012, Renegade revolutionized the traditional approach to fixing roofs with a standing seam by introducing the Clip Fix tool. Now used by professionals worldwide, it's convenient, easy to use, and suitable even for beginners. Simply place the seam down and click the tool onto it. The self-tapping screw feed mechanism hits the target precisely, and the screwdriver secures the roof with a firm grip. In a presentation video, the creators proudly advertise that the Clip Fix gets the job done 3 times faster than an ordinary no-name drill. The package includes clips, self-tapping screws, the tool itself, and 2 batteries. The slow, challenging process of pulling cables through installed pipelines with ropes or steel wire is now a thing of the past. With the EZ50 line blower from STIHL AG, the same job can be done in just minutes. The technician simply inserts the flexible nozzle of the tool into the pipeline and presses the trigger. In a few seconds, the rope shoots out from the other end. Even pipes with bends and narrow sections won't cause any issues. The EZ50 is lightweight, compact, and easy to use. It's a must-have tool. SiliGun is a user-friendly choice for applying sealants and adhesives, according to its manufacturer. You don't need to be an expert to get great results. That's because SiliGun offers some unique features. First, it has a 12:1 gear ratio, making it compatible with latex, acrylic, silicone, and other materials. Additionally, SiliGun is the only tool available with a tube trimming mechanism, which is handy when working in tight spaces. Lastly, it weighs just 300 grams, making it 2 to 3 times lighter than many other models. You can experience all these benefits for just $30. Metaltech Pump Jack offers a handy alternative to ladders and step ladders by allowing you to set up a small scaffold platform. This makes life easier and safer for carpenters, roofers, and other professionals who often work on roofs. The basic platform can support 227 kilograms, meaning several people with tools. Yet, one Metaltech Pump Jack unit weighs just over 9 kilograms, making it easy to transport around the job site. Plus, the scaffold platform moves up and down like an elevator, which is a great feature, even with the 9-meter height limit. All things considered, buying a pair of Metaltech pump jacks for $240 is a solid deal. The OneStep Multibead Plus applicator cart is built to last, is wireless, and is easy to maintain. It comes with 13 ports and is designed for use with adhesives and sealants, letting you apply them in strips that range from 76 to 457 mm apart. This applicator is powered by either a 7 or 12 amp-hour battery. It's especially well suited for large projects, as it's recommended for areas up to 4,600 square meters and up. To give you an idea of its capabilities, the team shown on the screen was able to cover 56 square meters in less than 2 minutes. Even spreaders have seen technological improvements, and Heumann offers models that impress even the pickiest customers. Their manual spreader has a range of 6 meters, while the cordless version reaches about 8 meters. Both models are versatile, working year-round with seeds, fertilizers, and snow and ice treatment agents. Unlike other models, Heumann spreaders feature an adjustable belt system. You can get them for $150 or $250. Have you heard of the German company Metabo GmbH? That's right, they make tools under the Metabo brand and often delight craftsmen with useful innovations. A few years back, they reimagined the compressor and introduced the tank. It's compact and weighs just 19 kilograms. Yet it delivers around 14 atmospheres of pressure. Plus it can connect 2 nailers at once. What a combo! Pro Tools Review even named it the best value for money, priced at $200. The creators of Rocket Fire have a lot to be proud of. It's the fastest fire torch out there, producing 3 flames with a temperature of 1093 degrees Celsius. In just a couple of seconds, your torch will be burning brightly, and you won't need any kindling or other products. If that sounds too intense, consider that the creators of Rocket Fire have spent 6 years testing their product. In 2022, they received the UL 147 safety certification. Rocket Fire runs on propane and MAP Pro gas and is priced at $145. Need to remove bark and dirt from tree trunks, but only have a chainsaw at hand? There are special Debarker attachments for this. They can be universal or specific to certain chainsaw models. If you have the right parts, you can even make a debarker yourself. In the video, experts used modified chainsaws from Dolmar and Husqvarna. A typical attachment with a 12cm cutter usually costs around $55. Hilti has made life much easier for workers with the EZG T522, which is like a miniature crane. It attaches to your back like a backpack, redistributing the weight of heavy tools. This means your arms get far less tired. With a load capacity of 17 kilograms, it can handle even heavy-duty jackhammers and drills. The EZG T522 itself weighs just 8 kilograms. It's essentially an exoskeleton, and it comes at an impressive price of $2,000. Window openings are a great resource for experienced builders because they can fit hoists like the TR225N. This model can lift 200 kilograms up to 30 meters quickly, thanks to its 750-watt motor that reaches speeds of up to 19 meters per minute. The rope uses a simple and reliable block and wedge connection, making it easy to prepare and move around the construction site. The TR225N is priced at $682. Meet the Dual Power Tower Light, a heavy-duty lighting solution that's so much more than just a flashlight. This mobile beacon pumps out an impressive 2,500 lumens of light, keeping your space lit up all day long on just a single battery. If you prefer, you can also plug it into an outlet using an extension cord. Standing tall at 2.1 meters, the tower light provides steady, reliable illumination overhead and minimizes shadows when casting light downward. And if you find yourself needing it in the bedroom rather than the garage, don't worry. The control panel offers a 700 lumen mode for less intense lighting. It might look a bit unusual between your bed and nightstand though. Need to move liquids from one container to another, like gasoline from a car tank to a jerry can? Check out the SP Quick Flow screwdriver attachment. It turns your screwdriver into a fully fledged pump. By turning the screwdriver, it creates pressure to quickly suck water into the hose, pumping up to 3 liters per minute. Inside the adapter, steel gear shafts rotate within brass bushes, designed to last for years. It comes with hoses, adapters, and a special case. The SP Quick Flow is priced at $369. Is it possible to install a flat wood floor without using a single visible screw? Probably, but why experiment with uncertain methods when there's a proven solution? The Deck Pro tool allows you to screw floorboards to the joists so that no screw heads are left showing on the surface. It drives every screw in at an angle, keeping your floor looking smooth and seamless. The Deck Pro is designed to work with boards ranging from 85 to 150 millimeters in width. Its solid metal base plate lets you put your full weight on it, ensuring stable and secure work as you build. This jack is absolutely essential in rescue operations. Made from steel, cast iron, and high-strength aluminium, it's capable of lifting loads up to 2,100 kilograms. That means with just this one tool, you can flip a passenger car or tear off its roof. Besides, only one specialist is needed to complete all tasks. There are no electric motors or hydraulic drives involved. It operates solely on fundamental physics principles. First Responder Jack was designed by professional firefighters who understood the importance of reliable, effective tools. This tool is perfect for big construction sites. These guide rollers help pull cable from one end of a building to the other without getting it cut on sharp corners. The creators thought of everything, so they made a dozen different frames to hold the rollers. You'll find long straight ones and others curved at 90 or even 180 degrees. The simplest models start at around $90, while more complex setups with 6 rollers can go up to $530. This remote-controlled hydraulic tool, called the ES20RMC, is designed for cutting wires with diameters of up to 20 millimeters. It works effectively on steel, aluminium, and copper cables. Thanks to its powerful 18-volt lithium-ion battery, the tool charges rapidly, reaching full capacity in just 15 minutes. The ES20RMC comes equipped with an LED for a well-lit work area and a quick stop function for added safety. Despite its capabilities, it weighs less than 2 kilograms with the battery included, making it lightweight and easy to use. This tool covers all of your bases. Need an extra outlet in your apartment or a round hole in your computer desk for cables? The adjustable electric hole saw is just the thing. Thanks to its 3 sharp blades, it cuts through particle board effortlessly. Weighing only 180 grams, it can spin at speeds of up to 4,500 RPM. The adjustable electric hole saw is priced at $25, a small price to pay for neat, clean holes. The From P331 is a robust tool designed for strapping wooden crates with plastic tape. It features a sturdy brushless electric motor that won't fail when you need it most. A single battery can securely fasten up to 370 tapes. The manufacturer suggests using it with polyester strips, ranging from 19 to 32 millimeters in width. and 0.6 to 1.53 millimeters in thickness. Weighing less than 6.5 kilograms, the From P331 is well balanced and comfortable for prolonged use. The twin tire is the world's first automatic rebar tying tool. The user doesn't even need to bend down. They just position the tool's claws over the intersecting rebars and press a button. This greatly reduces the risk of injury for construction workers. Weighing 4.6 kilograms, the twin tire can tie a knot in just 0.5 seconds, using the exact amount of wire needed. Its built-in battery can handle up to 4,600 cycles. With high performance and low material costs, it's no surprise the manufacturer has plenty of customers. Here's a handy tool called the Pico Pipe that makes cleaning pipes for painting a cinch. It grips the pipe tightly and blasts it with aluminium oxide under high pressure. You'll need to keep an eye on it and move it to the next section when it's done. The best part is that after one go, the metal is all set for painting. Smooth, even, and perfect for paint. Plus, it has a vacuum that sucks up all the dust, so it doesn't make a mess. It comes in different sizes, fitting both thick and thin pipes. What do you get when you mix a shovel and shears? A top-notch tool for prepping the ground for post installation, known as post hole digger. It features two sturdy blades bolted together, sliding in and out smoothly. While it still requires some muscle, you'll need to drive the post hole digger into the ground, close the blades and scoop out the earth. After about 20 minutes of work, you'll have a neat, deep hole ready for the post. Installing a fence becomes a whole different, yet equally satisfying task. Working is much more enjoyable if your company has provided the KTB Smart tool. It can be either clamped onto a table or held by hand. The head speed can be adjusted from 120 to 380 revolutions per minute. All you need to do is place a wire or rope, and the tool will apply the tape itself in a dense layer. The manufacturers of the KTB Smart emphasize that you don't need any special training to use it. The most important thing is to stay attentive and keep your fingers away from the rotating elements of the tool. The Tulson Drywall sander comes in handy when working with drywall. With 880 watts of power, its electric motor needs a minimum of 230 to 240 volts. The tool features a telescopic shaft that adjusts from 1.5 to 2.2 meters, making it easy to reach even the ceiling. The sanding disc runs at speeds between 1,000 and 2,100 revolutions per minute. All the dust is sucked up through hoses into a bag, keeping your workspace clean. After all, modern tools should ensure clean work. What's the best way to lift a 2-meter sheet of drywall? Or move tiles from one floor to another without cracking them? The answer is simple. Use the Bewe 8-pump suction cup with a pressure sensor. It presses firmly onto flat surfaces and holds securely until the pressure is released. The suction cup comes with a comfortable handle. Can you imagine a more reliable way to move materials? Mroza specializes in producing wall cutting devices. The main advantages of their products are the high speed and precision with which they operate. These machines make clean and neat cuts in just a single pass, without causing any damage to the surface. Mroza machines can handle both straight and curved lines, and they don't leave any irregularities in the corners. They're designed to be self-supporting on the wall, so the operator only needs to guide their movement. Additionally, a special cutter granulates the material, which helps minimize the formation of dust. If you're interested, you can purchase one of these devices directly from the manufacturer's website. The Pracor Connector Perforator is a tool designed for quick, easy and precise installation of punctured drippers into polyethylene pipes with diameters ranging from 16 to 20 millimeters. It's compatible with all models and brands of drippers, and the kit includes a holder for them. Before buying, make sure to specify which model of drippers you need to adapt the device to, or you might end up watering with a can again. The Pracor B starts at $172. RC54 shears won't be much use in school arts and crafts, as they can't even handle paper, but they're perfect for cutting aluminium and copper cables. The ratchet mechanism ensures smooth operation, while the powerful blades can cut through wires up to 54 millimeters thick. Designed to require minimal pressure on the handles, these shears let physics and mechanics do the work. The manufacturers do warn, however, that the RC54 isn't meant for steel cables. Trying to cut them could damage the tool. The TE522 drill from tool manufacturer Hilti might look a bit bulkier than other models, but there's a good reason for that. It's designed not just to drill holes, but also to chisel through bricks, concrete, and tiles. Its key advantages include a torque control system, the ability to connect to dust extraction machines, and a low weight of just 2.7 kilograms. The extended body and handle let you work while standing upright or reach the ceiling from a stepladder. The TE522 is priced at $319. For those who prefer not to cut bolt holes, there's an alternative, using a riveting tool. This tool from Tulson is made of powder-coated aluminium alloy and smoothly inserts rivets when you press down on the handle. The kit includes 5 replaceable nose pieces for different rivet sizes, along with a container for small construction waste. But will a riveted structure hold the same load as a bolted one? You'll have to see for yourself. The Wallboard Tools Pro tool helps speed up the process of taping joints between drywall sheets. It automatically coats the tape with putty, and you can easily adjust the flow. The tool is made of aluminium and can hold up to 152 meters of tape. It also has an integrated putty reservoir. The sharp blade allows you to cut off any excess material in one smooth motion. The tool is equipped with 2 handles for comfortable use, a top handle with a wooden pad and an adjustable side handle with a strap. Need to connect 2 pipes but neither has threads? That is not a problem if you have pipe reamers. This spiral-shaped cone with a solid handle easily cuts through metal. Just insert it into the pipe and secure it. The ratchet mechanism makes the job easier by taking on half the work. Pipe reamers come in 3 sizes, so choose based on the thickness of your pipe. It also helps to know the composition of the alloy you'll be working with. After all, if it's pure soft gold, you could probably cut it with a fork. The Narval cordless drill is designed for drilling railroad rails. It operates in 2 speed modes and works with common twist drills. Thanks to a quick clamping device and locking mechanism, the drill securely attaches to the rail. It's comfortable to use, producing minimal vibrations and illuminating the work area with LEDs. The motor starts instantly and runs quietly. It weighs less than 16.4 kilograms and is easy to transport from one site to another. The Pure Spray Asphalt Line Marker is one of the most efficient tools in its category. It delivers clean and accurate lines without the need for masking plates to maintain the quality of lines. The manufacturer claims that it can handle 500 meters of marking in just 50 minutes, making it 40% faster than its closest competitor. The markings are durable, clear, and resistant to contamination. Pure Spray works on both smooth and textured surfaces, and the line width can vary from 5 to 12 centimeters. It's the ultimate tool for road work. The Chemtex team suggests the ion gun for those who frequently work with paint and varnish. This ionizer removes static electricity and dust particles, but it comes at a cost of up to $1,047. Keep in mind, this price doesn't include the compressor, which you'll need to use it. The gun-like design makes it easier to reach tricky areas, which comes in handy in places like car repair shops. Plus, it's designed for convenient one-handed use. Why strain with a manual button punch tool to get up to 3,500 punches a day when you can use a Parker punch? This pneumatic tool can boost your work rate significantly, delivering up to 6,500 punches a day. This efficiency is partly thanks to its advanced exhaust valve. Plus, it has a convenient system for holding the jaws. Just a twist of the wrist is all it takes. When it comes to compatibility, the Parker punch works with all types of metal decking in 18, 20, and 22 gauges. All of this can be yours for $2,800. This digital measuring wheel from Milwaukee is so comfortable, you can use it with just one hand. To make your life easier, it remembers up to 4 measurements and displays them on its backlit LCD screen. Plus, it can convert between imperial and metric units with ease. With features like these, work becomes much easier, especially with the added comfort of a grippy handle. This tool runs on 2 AAA batteries, and you can get it for $100. While we're talking about Milwaukee, let's check out another one of their tools. Even a seasoned pro with 25 years of experience was impressed, especially because it made the job a lot safer. So what tool are we talking about? The MX Fuel Cordless Concrete Vibrator. It's powered by advanced MX Fuel red lithium batteries, delivering 11,000 vibrations per minute. It's designed for heads with a diameter of 63.5 millimeters. One standout feature is the wireless remote control, which has a range of 9 meters. However, this top-notch tool comes with a substantial price tag of $2,200. Experts say the solar panel market will grow by 15.5% each year for the next few years. This is great news for stores selling testers. Take the Benning PV1 for instance. It's a reliable tool for testing, maintaining, and installing photovoltaic systems. With it, you can check open circuit voltage, insulation resistance, short circuit current, and other crucial aspects. The test sequence is preset to run automatically, making it very convenient. The Benning PV1 costs around $1,700. Have you noticed specialists walking around with a tripod and something that looks like a camera? Chances are they're surveyors or utility workers. That device is called a total station theodolite and is used to measure angles and distances. The data gathered is later used to create a site plan or an as-built drawing. To improve accuracy, experts often use special surveying prisms, like the ones you see on the screen. Apart from having a built-in level, they can be mounted onto a nail and are designed from several parts for easy storage. The price varies based on the prism's features, with a starting point of around $390. Reel jacks are a game changer for anyone who constantly struggles with massive spools of cable. This clever hybrid of rack and jack can be set up in under a minute. It boasts a forbearing capacity of about 9 tons and works with reels up to 1.7 meters in diameter. Even on uneven terrain, reel jacks stay stable because they're designed in 2 halves. Plus, it can be used with their axle, a 5cm diameter rigid pipe. The price of reel jacks is $1,217. The team from Zern Water, who work in the water supply industry, will showcase an accessory for some tools from DeWalt and Milwaukee. Meet the Zern PEX F1960, an expansion head designed for pipelines. Its main goal is to make fitting installation easier. The patent-pending tool head featuring a blunt nose ensures no marks are left on the pipes during the process. Available in 13, 19 and 25mm sizes, it addresses the issue of uneven expansion during cold weather. IML Resi units are used to inspect live trees, construction timber, playground equipment, and power line poles. Using a regular drill, the technician drives a special drill bit to the desired depth, which can reach up to 1 meter in some versions. Based on the data gathered during drilling, you can assess internal damage, stability, and other aspects of the wood. A single 18-volt 5Ah battery is enough for 200 measurements. For more efficient work, consider signing up for a video seminar with the company's experts. Hollow bricks and heavy structures like satellite dishes don't mix well. For the best results, experienced workers use a German-made system called a Resitherm. It combines a fiberglass reinforced nylon body with classic steel washers and nuts. The system's maximum length is 20 centimeters, making it suitable for mounting railings, awnings, and satellite dishes. After installation, you won't have issues with thermal bridges. Besides brick, Resitherm works well with silicate blocks and aerated concrete. A set for 2 mount points costs $60. The Raimondi company is well known to many tilers, as it frequently adds to their toolkit. Today, we're looking at a tool designed to ensure comfortable work, even for left-handed users. Despite being cordless, it's built to last for long hours. A fully charged 20-volt 2Ah battery can level 4,000 wedges. The settings adjust based on the tile thickness, and a rubber insert is included to prevent scratches. This tool can be yours for $411. You can't have a tool discussion without talking about screwdrivers, right? Here's one from a company called STIHL. This screwdriver is marketed as a universal tool and is great for assembling furniture and handling minor repairs. Its standout feature is a patented head that can be set to 3 different angles: 0, 22.5 and 45 degrees. Not something you typically see in a cordless model. The tool is called the Twist 2.04V and costs $20. And this odd-looking product is marketed as a tool for making kindling. Like the screwdriver we've just mentioned, it's already patented. The manufacturers suggest it makes a great gift for anyone with a wood-burning stove, a fireplace, or a grill. The design is called NAX and is on sale for $212. It's surprisingly effective with birch and fir firewood up to 38 centimeters long. Plus, NAX can be mounted on a wall and is comfortable for left-handed users. Do you know how many parts are in a diesel engine? That's a difficult question to answer with lots of variables. But here's one thing we know for sure. If you need to remove fuel injectors, this air hammer extractor from Laser is the tool for the job. It's a fantastic addition to any car repair shop, especially with its hammer pull function and the ability to deliver 4,500 blows per minute. Plus, it's a pneumatic tool, so any workshop with a compressor can make use of it. The recommended adapters include Siemens M25 and M27, Denso M20, and Bosch CR. As for the price, you're looking at around $531. It's time to kick this compilation into high gear with this Milwaukee blower that reaches speeds of up to 249 km per hour. This tool is another testament to the company's expertise in cordless technology. In terms of power, it matches a 60cc gas-powered blower. Thanks to its 4 batteries, you can run it for an hour. At $1,500, this awesome backpack is a worthy investment. This small gadget, called the 41210S, is surprisingly affordable at just $36. Don't be fooled by its size, it's a handy tester with 2 units. One plugs into an outlet, while the other goes with you to the switchboard. This helps you locate the circuit breaker responsible for the specific outlet you're testing. It's convenient and practical, powered by 4 AAA batteries, so you don't have to deal with bulky power sources. The folks behind the Hand Masker tool are thrilled that it speeds up the process of applying protective film to glass and furniture by 4 times. The clever part of this invention is that it combines duct tape and a roll of cellophane into one tool, so all you have to do is turn the drum and tear off the amount of material you need. Of course, once they put this new tool on the market, the company saw an opportunity to boost related sales. That's why the recommended film and tape for the tool are from the same manufacturer. That's just smart business. It's time to forget about the days when old railroad spikes were pulled out with a tire iron. There are already enough automated systems on the market for this hard, unrewarding work. One of the most effective is called Spike Ease. It weighs no more than 13 kilograms, which is more than twice as light as its closest hydraulic counterparts. It has no generators, no hoses, and no cast iron claws. Powered by a battery, it sucks on the spike like an electric eel, and in 2 seconds is already spitting it out onto the ground. On a single charge, Spike Ease manages to pull up to 200 spikes. Railway workers, hurry up and order this tool. gel-fit knee pads stand out from the rest because they sit not on the knee joint itself, but on the thighs. Their makers believe that they've set a new standard in ergonomics, comfort, and functionality. The gel and foam design contours to the natural shape of the leg, distributing pressure evenly for outstanding comfort. Gel-fit knee pads are held in place with straps and elastic buckles, making them ideal for long-term wear, which means that you can even wear them to work. That is, if you have a physically demanding job, because a librarian wearing them might seem a bit intense. There's no shortage of power drill attachments for construction tools on the market. Here's one more to add to the list: Bandit CP4000D. It helps plumbers, electricians, and utility workers tighten steel clamps quickly and easily. Need to secure a water pipe or tie a cable to a lamppost? No problem. One battery charge can handle up to 400 clamps. Weighing about 3.5 kilograms, this tough tool is built for challenging environments. It even comes with a reusable cardboard case and an extra battery. Remember this name, VAUGE Rage. It's a specialist in dismantling. This compact demolition tool, just 38 centimeters long, is designed to quickly take apart various materials like tile, wood, drywall, glass, plaster, and nails. It combines the functions of a hammer, a nail puller, and a crowbar. Weighing about 1 kilogram, the VAUGE Rage offers comfortable balance and maximum impact with minimal hand strain. Its I-beam frame is made of high-carbon steel, hardened and powder-coated for durability. The handle is asymmetrically shaped for added comfort. With this tool, even simple tasks like poking holes in drywall and pulling out boards become more enjoyable. The Osprey Heat Shrink Tube Processing Machine is an innovative device created using advanced 3D modeling technology. It works like a traditional heat gun, but the Osprey applies an all-around airflow to the wires, which means that you don't have to rotate them during the process. The machine's frame is made of anodized aluminium, while the stand is made of stainless steel, ensuring maximum stability. The device can handle tubing up to 66 mm in diameter and is compatible with STIHL heat guns. The price of the Osprey starts at $1,054. The Flashline 3 mechanical tile cutter is designed for manually cutting large porcelain stoneware slabs up to 10 mm thick. Its design is unique thanks to a system that prevents the guides from shifting. Without needing suction cups or fasteners, weighing 8 kilograms, the Flashline 3 doesn't require any power sources and can be easily adjusted based on the board size and material thickness. The process is safe, as long as you follow some basic rules. Keep materials dust-free, wear safety goggles, and use protective gloves. The PGKD Modular Link Seal is designed to provide a secure fit for gas, water, and sewer pipes. It visually resembles a rubber chain with integrated nuts. Because all elements are firmly fixed within one structure, the risk of losing a washer during installation is greatly reduced. All metal components are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, while the sealing elements are made from hard yet elastic rubber. The creators of the PGKD joke that utility workers will be grateful for this seal, as it allows them to forget about wrenches and screwdrivers. It can be easily inserted and removed with bare hands. K2S is a patented combination of knee pads and seat. with the Model 100 selling successfully at $169 per pair. It's not just about comfort. These knee pads also feature an X-static coating that kills bacteria in sweat, reducing odor. Plus, sitting this way is gentler on the body than sitting cross-legged or squatting. Kneeling is also more comfortable when you've got soft pads underneath instead of a cold, hard floor. The DataMark MP50 is a portable cordless marking machine controlled via a smartphone over Wi-Fi. It offers a vast range of settings, including fonts, character height, width, position, marking speed, and strength. To prevent material waste, you can preview the finished dataset on the MP50's built-in screen. Once everything looks good, you can use the 50 by 30mm marking window. It even has an automatic lighting system for the marking area. This impressive tool comes at an impressive price of about $5,000. The Mix M8 mixing paddle might look too simple, but it actually combines several smart solutions. First, its special shape reduces foam and bubbles. Second, the attachment comes in various versions, including one for the M14 thread, making it a great fit for a wide range of drills. Third, it uses edge-to-edge mixing, without risking any damage to the container walls. The mixing paddle is priced at $78.50. The Roughneck Log Splitter is safer than an axe, according to the seller. First, the bright yellow tool doesn't produce as many dangerously flying chips. Second, you don't have to swing it around, reducing the risk of injury. The only problem is that the Roughneck weighs a substantial 7.3 kilograms, but that's due to its design. Additionally, the combination of a laser-cut sharp wedge and a shock-absorbing pad makes the process quite comfortable. The Roughneck is available for $48. Lift Top is the ultimate patented manhole opener, designed to handle virtually all shapes and sizes, even heavy ones weighing up to 80 kilograms. The material of the cover doesn't matter much. If it's magnetic, workers can attach an extension called Rhino Slim for convenience. There's also an upgrade called Hinge, which is useful if the manhole cover is loose. More importantly, using Lift Top reduces the risk of injury and fatigue for workers. The Upcart Hero is a versatile cart not just for repair and construction projects, but for everyday use as well. Whether you're carrying food bags, laundry baskets full of clothes or other items, it's up to the task. Just make sure not to exceed the 64 kilogram limit. With this cart, even the stairs of high-rise buildings won't be a problem. It comes fully assembled and ready to use. Once you're done, it folds up neatly and can be stored in a closet or pantry. At $70, it's a solid investment. The Marshalltown Fast Cap is another great tool for tilers. According to its creators, this patented leveling system is innovative and helps get the job done in record short time. One key feature is the ratchet mechanism, which lets workers reuse the caps and eliminates the need for extra tools. The spiral elements of the spacers also plays a role. Overall, the Marshalltown Fast Cap is the fastest option available. Surprisingly, this speed comes at a reasonable cost. 50 caps for $26 and 250 spacers for an additional $20.